How to send and unsend doodle drawings on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send and unsend doodle drawings on Instagram. So if you've seen the new Draw feature inside your DMs and want to learn how it works, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send a doodle. At the bottom of the chat, tap the plus icon. Then select Draw from the menu. Now you'll see the drawing screen. Here you can pick your brush type and choose any color you like. Once you've set everything up, go ahead and make your drawing. When you're done, simply tap Send to share it in the chat. Now let's talk about how to delete or remove a doodle. If you want to remove a doodle you've sent, tap and hold on the drawing. You'll see two options, Hide and Unsend. If you select Hide, the doodle will disappear from your chat, but only temporarily. It'll reappear once you leave and reopen the chat. If you select Unsend, it completely deletes the doodle for both you and the other person. Perfect if you sent it by mistake. And if someone else sends you a doodle that you don't want to keep, just tap and hold on their doodle. You can either hide it to remove it temporarily or tap Delete for you to permanently remove it from your side of the chat. And that's it. That's how you can send, hide, and unsend doodle drawings on Instagram.